Well, after 21 years, we pulled the wheel off and we broke a lug stud. It galled and then of course snapped off. So the service manual says to drop the hub down to the 6 o'clock position and you can just back the stud out. But there's the hub and also the ABS plate is in the way and it won't actually clear. So we're like, well, now what? So we figured out that by putting a small chamfer up in about the 230 position, we were able to slip out the old piece and the new one will just fit through there. So is it great? No, it's not great, but it's just a chamfer. It doesn't interfere with the bulk of the material. We just rounded off a little corner here so we can get the new stud in. So hope that helps somebody else because the shop manual sure didn't. And we've got the factory shop manual, not a Chilton's. All right, the factory shop manual says to install the new stud, just put a stack of washers and then draw the stud in until the head's flush, and you'll feel it get tight when it actually hits the bottom. So you can see on our broken stud that the thread galled and then of course it bunched up in the lug nut, and so then we ended up breaking the lug off when we removed it. This one we changed because you can see it's right there. It's very close to doing the same thing. You can see that the thread there is just starting to tear up. And once that happens, then the next time we go to remove it, we'll probably break this one off. So we went ahead and changed this one as well.